Good morning, everyone. My name is John. Today's I'm off, so I just want to make a couple of videos and any promotion that I can find. And what we're looking at here is RIDGID. So if you've been following the channel, you know that I'm a RIDGID fan. I love RIDGID. I love their lifetime service agreement, which I have not had an opportunity to use, but hopefully in the near future, or hopefully throughout my life, I don't need to use it, put it that way. Hopefully their tools are perfectly fine. But since I bought all of their tools are new, so everything's been working great, no issue at all. But however, this video is all about savings and the free tools that Home Depot currently have. As you can see here, the regular price for this is $767. I don't know if anybody's going to be spending that much of money. But for $399 and with the amount of tools that we do get for this package, which is awesome. The one that I bought before, I think about the same price range, but didn't get this level of high-end tool. So RIDGID, they no longer make the Octane line. They discontinued it, and I think they have like Max now. So with the battery wise, it's no longer Octane, it's just Max. That's the highest end of battery. And with this set here, as you can see from the title, 18V Brushless Cordless 4 tools combo kit with 2 max output batteries. That means 2 amp and a 4 amp. 18V charger, which is this one right here, and a tool bag. And you get this, the impact, the drill, and oscillating tool, and the reciprocating saw. And what you're gonna be getting extra is the 3 tools here, which is the 2 additional batteries, both 4 amp and the circular saw. Okay, so let's take a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 items plus the bag is 11 items. Okay, so and for $399, which is great. So if you guys want, what I did before too is just go into eBay, and if you can buy like a coupons. A lot of people are selling them, and they can once you make the payment, they're gonna deliver like through your email, and you can make sure that you can use that coupon code for maybe what, $25, $20 off, for like a couple dollars, which can give you a little bit more extra saving there. And when you receive the tool, when you pick up the tools, just make sure you save the invoice, because you're going to need it to register for the LSA, which is the lifetime service agreement. Make sure you do it within 90 days. Okay? That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, leave it in a comment below. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.